Hello, hello, hello. It's another Kings Island update. Woo, because this is all we are here for almost all the time. As you can see back here, it's dark. It's actually storming back there. I don't think anything's going to be open, but this is going to be the first update post Orion announcement. And I know on the internet, we got a lot of track on site. We'll get a picture of that. We don't know if there's any more tonight. A lot of tracks on site. We also have haunt decorations going up, and after haunt is Winterfest, and both of those seasonal events are going up decorations wise. So we're going to take a look at that, and well, what are we waiting for? See you in the park. And as it was mentioned about haunt decorations going up, scaffolding for the entrance that was up during haunt is going up as well. Well, it may be storming off in the distance, but the fountains are out and playing today. And now, we go on top of Eiffel Tower to see what's new with Orion. Alright guys, so we're on top of Eiffel Tower, and as we can see, a lot of track is on site, as well as some new asphalt has been poured as a walkway, which Field of Screams looks to be returning for haunt, and everything else looks about the same, but let's get a close-up of those of the track. Another thing we can also see off in the distance here in a second as we zoom in is red Firehawk trains are here, and apparently the yellow trains have been sent out. Where they are going, we don't know. Look over here at the Orion wall, and nothing's erected yet. Our first look at the banners, we didn't see them on announcement night. So yeah, Orion, as you can see, Wild Gravity Travels right there. Everybody go say hi to Jim. Give him a subscribe over at Wild Gravity Travels. They do great work. But yeah, nothing new over here at the wall. And after this weekend, since it's Labor Day weekend, the park's going to be closed for buyouts for like 2 weeks. But they said after this weekend, the steel should start getting erected. So the first thing that goes up is transfer area, transfer barn. And then we'll go on to the station and lift. And probably the base of the drop, and they'll connect all that at once. But yeah, the skyline is going to be changing next year, and it's no longer going to be I don't believe it's area 72 is going to be looking great next year. One other thing to note is Chaos's sign is back up. Doesn't have the red skull on it yet to show it's a haunt maze, but Chaos' sign is up for a haunt 2019. Well, over here in Coney Mall, the concrete bases are back from the Coney Mall scare zone area last year for a haunt, which I'm going to assume that this is for the Coney Mall, M-A-U-L. I think that's how it's spelled, mall area. And down near Vortex, all that, I'm going to assume that's going to be Zombie Mall, but we'll find out. Well, Backlot's zooming around in the background. Tombstones are out over here by Backlot and have a lot of former rides on there. As we can see here, the Ohio Overland Auto Library, and then back right here, Recar. So pretty much that assumes that Backwoods Racer will not be coming back. Spooky! She must be screaming that Mac's not going to be the tallest ride in the park next year. If you're coming from Rivertown and you see the rest of all of these tombstones down this way, first one you'll come up is Carnival, as the attraction was retired last year, and it gave its last walkthroughs in 2017. It almost seems like Rivertown's got a spider problem. You know, I can't tell if there's enough spider webs down here in Rivertown. Diamondback's about to come down. Well, this is new. We have some new scenery for Shipwrecked, which is going to be over here in Action Zone. And I thought it was going to be over there on the pathway to the Kings Island Theater and all that, but I guess not. Fire the cannonball. Well, this looks to be the last of the props used for Shipwreck. I'm hoping they add more. So we got this one, and over here we've got the other two. So yeah, hopefully they add more to Shipwrecked. And actually, this will be the last stop of the night, guys. Backwoods Bayou and Candy Cane Lane. The scenery is up, and as you can tell right there, candy canes are put up as well. So yeah, Backwoods Bayou is coming along for a haunt. And a look at the exit. And by the smell of it right here, it smells like my old grandmother's basement. An interesting smell. Alright, so as we were leaving, they were handing out these Dragamon sticks. What is that? I don't know what it is. I've heard of Pokemon. From what I've seen, it looks like Bakugan with the little balls and everything, but I don't know. Smash to battle. I don't know. Alright, guys, well, shall we? Update's got to come to an end. It's 2 hours till closing time, and so this is going to be the last update before Haunt with regular season. After Labor Day, the park's closed 2 weeks for private events, and then Haunt officially starts on September 25th. I will be here. That's my personal favorite time of the year, because spooky season, yes. Yeah, I like getting scared. I like all the Halloween music, heavy metal music, all that kind of ties them together. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned to all the social media channels, as while the park's closed, they'll be sharing more about Orion. We will be sharing it as well as other parks. So thank you for watching.